If your heating and air conditioning system is not keeping you comfortable during those frigid cold winters or hot and humid summers, then you need to contact us today. Are you looking for the best heating and air conditioning company near you in Jacksonville, Florida? Well, look no further. We're Northport Heating and Air Conditioning Company, servicing homes and businesses in the Florida counties of Clay, Duval, and St. Johns. We will take your indoor comfort to a whole new level with our experienced team of skilled technicians, best equipment in the industry, and exceptional customer service. We offer complete comfort package, from the installation of a new quiet and energy-efficient air system, outstanding scheduled maintenance, to our exceptional repair services. You'll never have to worry about your home or business air system and indoor comfort level again. We will walk you through the many reasons why choosing us is the best decision you'll make for your home or business air system needs. So sit back, relax, and let us show you how we will revolutionize your experience of indoor comfort in your home or business. And remember, a simple call for a free inspection and recommendations could be the first step towards transforming your home or business into the perfect indoor haven. We are a Florida licensed heating and air conditioning mechanical contractor. The license certifies that Northport Heating and Air Conditioning has the knowledge and requirements to legally operate a heating and air conditioning business in Florida. We have over 20 years of successful experience with high-rated customer reviews, which are verified by Google. Having years of business experience is important because it demonstrates that we provide excellent service, have built a good reputation, and operate professionally with overall quality service. Our insurance includes liability insurance and workman's compensation insurance to protect you and your property. Our technicians have 5 or more years of field repair experience. This means our technicians can quickly determine the source of the problem with your air system and will get your system up and running quickly. Besides the normal manufacturer's warranties, we guarantee our work. You can be assured your situation will be resolved quickly and professionally. This includes work performed on homes as well as businesses. All our rates for our service and products are competitive. In fact, many times, we are lower than our competition. Our phones are answered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Should your air system stop working when our office is closed, you can still contact us for emergency repairs. Our home and business service includes repaired air systems, installation of new air systems, scheduled maintenance programs, indoor air quality, and air duct cleaning. Thank you for taking the time to review our short video. We look forward to being of service to you. For more information, we invite you to review our website or call our office. If you need immediate service, call now, as our phone is answered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you felt this video was informative and helpful, we would appreciate you giving us a like and subscribe. We look forward to being your air system experts. Thank you, and have a great day.